Let us start with one more problem, that is offset current to voltage converter. So this also we have studied in the theory. We will see one problem on this particular type. Here we have to design the circuit to convert input current within the range, that is 20 milliamps to 30 milliamps, to the output voltage within the range 2 volt to 5 volt. So let us see what is the circuit for this, that is offset current to voltage converter. So this is one simple adder circuit, adder subtractor we can say. Here we have R1, RF, R1, RF, R span, this is our current input, that is I in. Then we have also the reference voltage in terms of Vz given by a voltage follower circuit. Like this. So input will be Vz, here we will get Vz as the input and we will get Vo as the output. So for given input current we will get the given output current. So this is current to voltage converter, but this is called as a offset current to voltage converter. This is R span. In the design problem we have to calculate this R span and this Vz voltage or this reference voltage. This is the problem. So we have solved the equations during theory, and equation for this particular R span is equal to Vb minus Va divided by Rf by R1 into bracket Ib minus I. This is equation 1 for R span. Second, we have the equation for Vz, that is Vz is equal to Va minus Rf by R1 into bracket Ia into R span. This is equation 2. We have to understand what is the input given. Let us say we have to get the input current is Ia first, that is 20 milliamps. Corresponding output expected is Va, that is 2 volt. Input voltage, input current higher range is Ib, that is 30 milliamps. Corresponding expected output is Vb, that is 5 volt. So we have to design the circuit for this. So we will start with this, putting in this equation. Let us say how we can do that. We will calculate the R span. Let us say R span is equal to Vb is 5 volt minus 2 volt divided by Rf by R1. Ib is 30 milliamps minus Ia is 20 milliamps. Considering Rf is equal to R1 is equal to 10K. Then so how the circuit will be, then this R span becomes 5 minus 2, that is 3 volt, divided by this 1 multiplied by this 10k divided by 10k into bracket 30 milliamps minus this 20, that is going to be 10 milliamps. So that is going to be 3 volt divided by 10 milliamps. So 3 multiplied by 10 raised to 2, that is R span is equal to 3 into 100, that is going to be 300 ohm. So this we have find out the first thing. In second, Vz is equal to Va minus Rf by R1 into bracket Ia minus Ra into R span. This is the second equation. So Va we are aware about, that is 2 volt, Rf 10k divided by 10k, Ia is 20 milliamps multiplied by R span we have calculated 300 ohm. Okay, so what we are getting, 2 volt minus 20 into this particular 6000 millivolts we got. So that we got, or we can say, that is we can take it 20 into 10 raised to minus 3 into 300, like that we can, these many folds. So we can say 20, we will get 6 volts. Okay, so this is minus 4 volt Vz. So we have calculated by adjusting Vz is equal to minus 4 volt and R span is equal to 300 ohm. We can design this particular circuit.